If Steam notifications are getting a little too noisy, this video will show you exactly how to disable Steam Friends notifications and quiet things down without missing the updates you actually care about. We'll go through the main notification settings first, and then I'll show you how to mute specific friends if you only want to silence a few people instead of turning everything off. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and look to the top left corner of the app. Click the Steam menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, find and click the Notifications tab. This is where Steam lets you control different kinds of alerts, including friend activity and message notifications. Once you're in the Notification section, look for the Friend Notification options. Here, you can adjust alerts for things like friends coming online, going offline, receiving messages, and other social notifications. If you want to reduce the overall noise, start by turning off the friend notifications you do not want to see. For example, you can disable friend online and offline alerts, as well as message pop-ups if they are too distracting. Take a moment to review each option carefully so you only keep the notifications that matter to you. After you make your changes, Steam should apply them automatically, so you can close the window and keep using Steam without all the extra alerts. Now, if you do not want to disable friend notifications for everyone, you can mute specific friends instead. This is a great option if only 1 or 2 people are sending too many alerts. To do that, open your friends list inside Steam. Find the friend you want to manage, then right-click their name. From the menu, choose Manage and then select Notifications. In that section, you can uncheck the default notifications and customize what you want to allow or block for that specific friend. This gives you much more control because you can silence one person without changing your settings for everyone else. After you finish adjusting the options, close the menu and your changes should be saved. That is the easiest way to disable Steam Friends notifications, whether you want to turn them off globally or mute them for individual friends. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.